Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to remove your card details from GoDaddy. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and then you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open our official GoDaddy website right here at godaddy.com if you haven't already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where in the upper right corner we can go ahead and get started with logging into your account. So go ahead and log in. If you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create a new one. And after logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page where we can get started, searching for a domain name. We can see all the products and services and so on. So guys, let's say we have added our credit card that we used for some purchases on GoDaddy, but now we want to remove the card details and do not want GoDaddy to have our card anymore. This is how to do that. Basically, all you have to do is just go right here into the upper right corner and click on your username. After clicking your username, it's going to open up this new drop-down menu with all the options we can access, and one of the options, guys, is going to be called renewals and billing. So we can go to renewals and billing where we can get started with seeing our billing options that we have, our subscriptions and so on, and our payment methods. So you want to go ahead and open up your payment methods right here because this is where your credit card is going to be. So as you can see, upon our first purchase, a payment method will be added, but as I have no purchases, I have no payment method. But if you have added your card already right here, it's going to appear right here. So all you want to do is just go ahead and click the delete button next to your card that's going to appear right here so that you'll be able to successfully remove it from your GoDaddy account. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.